Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about Mederma Quick Dry Oil. It is skincare for scars, stretch marks, and uneven skin tone. You guys might actually be familiar with regular Mederma. Regular Mederma is for the same thing basically, but it is more of a lotion. And it is sold online and over the counter, and I wouldn't say it's expensive, but it's like more pricey than some other treatments maybe. But Mederma is so popular and clinically effective and all that. So anyway, I wanted to try this Mederma Quick Dry Oil because I've tried Mederma lotion in the past, and it has definitely helped my scars. Because I don't know if you guys know this, but for some reason, a lot of insurances stopped covering like scar creams and stuff like that. When I was younger, I used to scar so bad. Like I would get bug bites and they would turn into scars, and just any like little cut that I had always kind of just stayed a scar. Like it would become a scar. And I scarred easily, and I would always go to the dermatologist and they would, give me a scar cream. Now they don't really do that anymore, unfortunately. So then I started using the Mederma, and it worked good for me. So I decided to try the Quick Dry Oil, and let me show you what I was using it for. This lovely thing on my leg that was a cut from last summer. I'm sorry, it wasn't a cut. It was a bug bite from last summer, and it became pretty infected and turns into a scar. And I'm just super self-conscious about it, to be honest. I mean, people tell me it looks like a birthmark, but I'm just like, it's in the center of my leg. It's like in an annoying spot. So I'm like, you know what? I need to do something. So that's when I bought the Mederma Quick Dry Oil. Now I've been using it since March, and the scar is still pretty bad. So I don't want to say it's not working, because I do see a little bit of a difference, but it's working very, very slowly, and I have to be consistent about putting it on. So I always put it on at night, but I have to try to put it on like, twice a day as well. And I'm starting to think maybe the lotion is better for scars, and that this is better for stretch marks. So like if you have white stretch marks, red stretch marks, I think it might be a little bit better for that. So then it says on here, directions for use. Mederma Quick Dry Oil should be gently massaged into the area at least one time per day, or as often as desired. So I'm going to take the top off, and I'm going to show you guys. Oh, and it doesn't, what I like too is, usually oils like will stain clothes. I've actually gotten dressed right after, and this dries pretty quickly within like 5 minutes. And I've gotten dressed right after, and it has actually like not stained my clothes or anything. So, okay, I'm going to just put a couple droplets on my leg and just gently massage it in like the directions say. It has a lightweight feel. It feels oily, so it does feel like this, like equal to like an olive oil or something like that. It has a quick pour top here, like a small hole. I actually have been using it on my C-section scar as well, and it's helped with that too. But I haven't been as crazy with, or consistent, I would say, with using it on that, because I'm pregnant and I know it's just going to get cut open again. So I'm going to have to, like, after the baby comes and I'm healing a bit, I'm going to start using it for that, and I can let you guys know how it's working. So you can learn more about Mederma Quick Dry Oil at Mederma.com. This is like a newer product, comes in a 2-ounce container. It's super simple to use. And then, of course, for external use only, keep out of reach of children, and it is not child safety. It's just a twist off top. So it is easy to use, and I store it right in my medicine cabinet in the dark, basically. So it's like out of sunlight and all that. And yeah, I mean, so far I'm pretty happy with it, but like I said, I would say their Mederma lotion is better for scars, and this might be better for stretch marks. It's lightweight. It does not stain. It feels nice and moisturizing on the skin. Does not dry out skin by any means. So guys, this was the Mederma Quick Dry Oil. Skincare for scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, and dry skin. I hope that you guys found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I really appreciate it, you guys, and have a great day.